Hello, I'm Angelica Miguel and this is my video report for activity number 3. The basic transformation, the translation, rotation, scaling, and transformation for complex movements. Then advanced transformation perspective. So first is the basic transformation. There are several transformations that are used in computer graphics, but the most common ones are translation, moving the object, rotation, spinning it, and scaling, changing its size. They come up often in graphics because they are applied not only to object but to things like the camera and lighting sources. So, what are the Ba what are the basic of transformations? Transformations in general are when we take a function and manipulate it in such as way as to shift, stretch, or flip the graph of the function. There are three basic ways a graph can be changed. It can be shifted, it can be stretched, compressed, and it can be flipped. So, this is the example, the translation. The translation is, this involves moving an object from one place to another without changing its size or orientation. Each point of the object is shifted by a specified distance and is in a specified direction. And the rotation is, this involves rotating an object around a fixed point, the center of rotation by a center angle. Then last is the scaling. Involves resizing an object. Scaling can be a uniform, equal scaling in all direction, or non-uniform scaling by different factor in different direction. These transformations are widely used in computer graphics, animation, and simulation to manipulate objects in a virtual space. And next, transforming complex movement often involves breaking them down into smaller from manageable components. This can include analyzing the sequence of actions, adjusting body positioning, and refining timing. Visualization, practice, and feedback are essential for mastering this transformation, breaking the movement into stage, adjusting speed, and focusing on specific muscle groups can also help refine and improve complex movements. So, uh, a complex function is usually written as f equals w equals f open and close parenthesis z and w, where w is refined to as referred to as the image of z, and f is the transformation function which maps the complex plane z to w. The image of z and w is plotted on the other plane, which is obtained after the transformation f. There are four many types of transformation: the translation, rotation, reflection, and dilation. These transformation fall into two categories: rigid transformation that do not change the shape or size of the pre-image, and non-rigid transformation that change the size but not the shape of the pre-image. So, example, you, you, you see geometric transformation every minute of every day. Whenever you walk around an object, you see a rotation. When you see an image of an object, it is a projection. When you move an object, you see translation. When you look in a mirror, you see a reflection. So, next is the advanced transformation. Perspective transformation involves mapping point in an image from one perspective to another. This is useful for tasks like correcting distortion in images or simulating the effect of viewing a scene from a different angle. In a computer vision, these transformations are often used in tasks such as image stitching, where multiple images taken from different perspectives are combined into a single seamless panorama. At advanced transformation like perspective transformation are commonly used in computer vision graphics to alter the viewpoint of an image. This transformation involves changing the perspective of an image as if it were viewed from a different angle or distance. They crucial for tasks like image registration, object detection, and augmented reality application.